Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to set time and date on any digital watch having got only one single button. So if you also have good similar kind of digital watch with single button, then this video will be very helpful to set time and date. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on similar kind of single button watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me at first. If you are in different function, press this button one by one. This is light, this is alarm, this is stopwatch, this is dual time mode, this is another function, and this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press and hold this button for few seconds like this. As you see here, after this the seconds have started blinking. To adjust this second, press this button once. Now to adjust hour and minute, press and hold this button for few seconds. As you see here, hour have started blinking. Nothing is mentioned on the display, it means this is AM. Now use this button one by one to go ahead. If you cycle through the hour, you can even go towards PM. As you see here, we have reached towards PM. After adjusting hour to adjust minute, follow the same step. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. Now you can see here minutes have started blinking. Use this button one by one to go ahead. Now after this we will learn to adjust hour format. To go towards that function, you have to again press and hold for a few seconds. You can see here currently it is showing 12 hour format. If you want to go towards 24, press one time, and if you want to come back, again press it one time. So now to move towards another function, press and hold this button for a few seconds. So here you will get a chance to adjust year. Currently it is showing 2008. Press one by one to go ahead. After this, to adjust month and date, press and hold this button again. As you see here, currently it is showing 11. This is now December. This is January, February, March, April. So this is how you adjust month. Now to adjust date, press and hold this button again. You can see here now the date have started blinking. Use this one by one to go ahead. Now again press and hold this button for a few seconds. As you see here, the days of week is automatically fixed according to the date. So this is how you can adjust time and date on any digital watch having got only single button. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.